Hey guys, how's it going? We are in front of building 7, the old rug clearance building. And I wanted to show you, we are transforming it into our new leather gallery, and just a little bit of progress. I want to show you what we're doing. It's a little noisy in here. We got all the fans going. And as you can see, we're redoing everything, opening things up, new bathrooms going right here. Had to redo some of the floors. Obviously in the summer it gets so hot, turn off all the lights. We will have AC eventually in here. And I'm sure this looks a little different. You know, mostly this is filled with just stacks of rugs, and obviously we'll still have those in buildings 1 through 4 eventually, but really cool just to get a sense of the space, the floors, ceilings. We're getting new lighting in eventually, but how good does this look over here? Pretty much the finished product for the fireplace. We'll have like some sort of faux kind of fire there, but look at the floors all cleaned up, awesome brickwork. I mean, it's just a super space that I think we're gonna get a lot of real value out of and really show a lot of the leather. You know, the sofas, if you're spending $7,000 on a sofa, it needs to look good where it is, but it also, you know, needs to have an environment where you can touch it, feel it, and really learn about leather and what goes into it. So going to be a really exciting thing for Green Front. But again, just kind of looking around, you know, we got a lot of space to do a lot of different things depending on what we do. Selling some bags, small leather goods probably. And here it is all open. We've still got a lot of work to do on the walls, things like that. But I mean, just a really massive space. It's going to get a lot of love. And then again, over here, the second of the sort of focal points. This was all just kind of gross carpet and really nice and concrete. Really awesome. Fireplace again. So, building number 7, still in progress. Should be a few more months, but get ready for the new leather gallery. Hope to see you soon.